What's going on, you guys? Mahesh behind the camera here, and I'm back with a new video. On Thursday, I had chicken rendang for lunch and dinner. I had food poisoning while eating rendang on Thursday as a special lunch and dinner, and the rendang paste tasted horrible, very fucking horrible. And I got a stomach ache on Thursday, and my stools became very soft when I took a dump in the toilet, and it was going down with a plop and become very watery because I had the chicken rendang I had on Thursday, and I got food poisoning while eating the chicken rendang. And the rendang tastes very horrible, very fucking horrible. That means the paste is not very nice. The rendang sauce, I said take Khadija rendang sauce, but I took the wrong one. That I went to Sheng Siong on Thursday in Fernvale, near my house, and it's very far away. And today we never go out for Dubai break because mom has to keep the money for emergency custody. I don't know why. I don't know why she say the word emergency. It means something wrong. And that's why she says she wants to save the money for emergency custody. I don't know what is the cause of the problem that I'm talking about, and how it happened so suddenly like that and become bedek like that. And yeah, on Thursday I had chicken rendang for lunch and dinner. I got food poisoning while eating the chicken rendang, and it tastes very horrible. That the paste is something very wrong. That means they add a lot of ajinomoto inside the paste. I should have bought that. Next time I should take a Khadija rendang mix. That will be better. And next time. And today is a rehearsal practice for this year's National Day Parade, so that will start in the evening. And we have to wait for the rain must stop first. Now it's cloudy, so I'm waiting for the rain to stop. Then the sun will come out for them. So that will start at 5 p.m. onwards. And we never go for Dubai break today because mom has to keep the money for emergency custody. I don't know what is the cause of the problem, and I am taking action against it, so that is good. Emergency custody means someone is in trouble or whatever, so that's why I have to say like that. And yeah, the rendang I had on Thursday, I got food poisoning. When I eat for lunch and dinner, the paste tasted horrible, and then there's no taste at all. And then my grandma got stomach ache on Thursday also, and that's why I had to talk about this. So yeah. So I better delete the video of me saying vulgar words, cause that's nothing. But I'm going to delete the video, cause Rishi's mom will know that I will say a lot of vulgar words, so I removed the video already. And that's why I have to say about this. Don't know why I get food poisoning in the first place nowadays. The stupid rendang, I say. The stupid chicken rendang tasted horrible on Thursday. When I had for lunch and dinner, I got food poisoning 2 times. But I didn't even vomit or throw up. My stomach kena food poisoning. And then I got watery stools when I took a dump in the toilet. When I took a shit in the toilet. And why I always get sick nowadays. And that's why it happened too suddenly. So I have to go to bed at 3:15. And that's why I have to talk about this. And yeah, so it's a very, very awesome day. Waiting for the rain to stop so that the RSAF will conduct rehearsals for this year's National Day Parade, taking place in the Padang for Madura 60. So that's why I would say about this. And this is Mahesh Bayan, DSP, Desi Prasad, signing off.